Akshata's Recipes. Thank you for being here today. So I had got a request from a friend, Naomi, and she had requested a carrot cake. So today I'm going to be coming up with this recipe, and it's super simple, and I've added some few ingredients to make it extra special and elevate the taste of this dish. But other ingredients are just basic ingredients that we use in our baking all the time. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, so let's get started. So friends, let's get started with today's really easy to make and delicious carrot cake. So here I have 3 carrots that I've grated using a cheese grater. These are 2 eggs. This is 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. All ingredients with the exact measurements will be in the description box below. This is the sieve that I'm going to be using. This is about 3/4 cup of butter. This is 1 inch of ginger that I've grated really fine using the cheese grater. This is 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is some freshly grated nutmeg, about 1/2 teaspoon. This is 3 tablespoons of milk. This is a tablespoon. The other day I got a question, can you please show what is a tablespoon? So this is a tablespoon. This is 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and this is a teaspoon. So whoever asked that question, I hope this helps you out. And this is some icing sugar, or rather powdered sugar. So this is a round tray that I've just lined up with some butter paper. Like I said, don't worry, all ingredients with their measurements will be down in the description box below. So let's get started making this super simple yet yummalicious carrot cake. So first I'm going to sieve all my dry ingredients. So I've mixed up the flour, the powdered sugar and the baking powder together. This is a very important step. You really need to sieve it because everything then gets evenly mixed together. Then I'm going to take my butter and transfer it to a bowl. And I'm going to beat this for exactly 5 minutes. So put a timer on your phone or your watch because we want a very smooth consistency. And this is really important if you want to get a lovely superb cake. So just, you can use an electric whisk to make your work easier. But 5 minutes, beat this up. And you'll see that the color of the butter also has changed. Now I'm going to add all the other wet ingredients. So in go my 2 eggs. I'm going to beat this up together too. Then I'm going to add in the other 2 ingredients, which is the milk and the vanilla essence. So we got all our wet ingredients mixed together. Now I'm going to add in my nutmeg powder and my cinnamon powder. Nutmeg is also called xyphal. And then I'm also going to add my grated ginger. And cinnamon is dalchini. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to add a little bit of the dry ingredients. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of the wet ingredients. I'm going to give this a mix. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the carrots. And then again I'm going to mix it up. And then I'm going to repeat the process. Again a little bit of the wet, a little bit of the dry, and then the remaining carrots. And then just give everything a good mix. Now you're going to find that this batter is a little different from the regular cake batters that we make. It is a little denser and a little on the thicker side, so don't worry about it. So this is what your consistency is going to look like. But trust me guys, the moisture from the carrots and everything just works out super well. And then just transfer it to your cake tin. Don't forget to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes in advance. So that's my oven all preheating. And then I'm just going to put it into the oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 45 to 50 minutes. Keep an eye on your cake because every cake is different. So after waiting patiently and and my entire home had the aroma of this beautiful carrot cake, our carrot cake is ready. And there it is. It's got a beautiful natural color. And just check that the cake is ready by just inserting a knife into it. If it comes out clean, it's all done. And guys, when it completely cools down, only then try to cut up the cake. Otherwise, it's going to just crumble up. But this cake is just the perfect carrot cake. Do try it out, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Do let me know in the comment section below how your carrot cake turned out and what other ingredients you added to make it extra special. Also, Naomi, I hope you like this recipe, and I'm waiting to see the carrot cake that you make. You can send me a pic on my Facebook page. And if you like this recipe, then don't forget to leave this a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do by hitting the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below this video. And once you have subscribed, a small little bell icon will turn up. Just click that bell. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same, so you won't miss out any of the recipes that I'm putting up on my channel. Also, if you want to find my recipes, since I have more than 500 recipes, on the YouTube search button, just type the recipe you're looking for and immediately type Akshata's recipes just next to that recipe. For example, if you're looking for, let's say, paneer tikka masala recipe, so just type paneer tikka masala Akshata's recipes and my recipe will come out first. So that's the way to find me on YouTube. I'm also very active on Facebook as well as Instagram, and all my links are below. I also have a blog page of the same name, all links below. Also, don't forget to spread the word about Akshata's recipes with family and friends. And go and check out my recipes. If you're new on this channel, go and check all the recipes that I put up. So on that note, I'd like to say stay safe, stay at home, stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. Till I catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.